Hello guys. So what I have here is iPad Pro 12.9-inch third generation, and this is the victim of DIY repair. So this is very important on these, especially iPad Pro. When you're putting a new LCD, you disconnect the battery, and the only way to disconnect the battery, even if you remove the screw, because they are glued with the frame, so the battery connector will still be intact. So remove the screw and put some plastic strip like this so that they are not connected together. So now what I will see, we will see the display connectors to check what is the problem here. So see, this is a hard burnt here. This resistor is also a little bit burnt. Okay, rest all look good. So from the donor board we will just replace this and this, and then we will see how it goes. First of all, I would like to remove this because it's shorted, and just a little bit of clean there. Okay. I don't think I will be removing this small resistor at this stage because it looks okay to me. We will see how it goes after replacing these two caps. So I will remove these from the donor board. So guys, put the new screen, but still there is no display. What I'm gonna do is to remove the plate from the logic board and check further. So what we're looking for is something burnt on display line. On iPad Pro 10.2 it's usually a diode that usually burns out. But these looks okay to me. Let's check here. This is type C power IC, same like in MacBook Pro CD3215C00. Nothing is obvious here, man. Okay, let's check these in diode mode. Okay, that looks okay to me. Yep, they all look okay. Is there any other diode hiding there? Because usually in iPad Pro there is a... Okay. No. I would like to revisit this here because I would like to check the resistance on these ones here, where we had our first damage, and compare it with the donor board. Okay, I will remember that. 0.45. It's fluctuating, sometimes 16, sometimes 3.9, and this one here is a bit confused here. 0.45, 0.6, 5.2, 5.3 million ohms. Okay, and let's compare with the donor board. This one showing as open line. This one looks the same. And this is a lot of difference here. Okay, I think I will replace. I have to replace these as well. They are on the same line when there was a burnt out. So guys, what I have done so far is to remove those 3 resistors and then solder here. And now I will try again. Oh guys, isn't it hard to put these touch connectors? Anyway,
The hard drive is 1 tera. I divided for C 500 and D 500.
Okay. Yep. Got it. Okay, that's all done.